Hi, this is Bonnie from Arts and Culture Collaborative, and I want to give you a quick tutorial to show you how to get on a Zoom call with the meeting ID number. It's a 10-digit number. So what you're going to do if you have an ID number is you're going to go to zoom.us, hit enter. You don't have to sign up. You don't have to do any of that. You can just hit join a meeting. And then you're going to type in the number that you were given. Like I said, it's a 10-digit number. This just happens to be a meeting that we have coming up. So I'm going to put that meeting number in and I'm going to hit join. It may ask you for a password. It may not. More often than not, you don't need a password, but we'll see. So you're always going to get this open Zoom launcher and you're going to have to click that. This is again asking for a meeting password. And so I'm putting the password in. So when you're sent an email with a meeting ID number, you should also be receiving the password along with that. So you'll have the password to put in, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit join meeting. As I said many times, you'll never get a password and you won't have to, you'll be able to skip that step because it won't even come up. So I'm going to hit join meeting, and then there I am. So now I'm going to hit join with video. You could join without video if there was a reason that you didn't want to be seen. Maybe it's a first thing in the morning meeting and you weren't really ready to be on camera. However, more often than not, it's nice to join with video, then people can see each other, or you could share screens. So I'm going to hit join with video, and then you saw my name briefly there. That's because I'm not fully logged in, and that's why it's only just seeing my name as Bonnie. And now I'm going to join with computer audio. And there's no host to this meeting, and that's why I'm the only participant here. But once you do get in there, if for whatever reason you wanted to stop the video, you could, and then it would just show your name on the screen. And if you're oftentimes asked to mute yourself, and the way that you would do that is right here under the mute button, and then if you were to talk again, you would hit unmute. So the screen looks a little different when you have a host on, because you're going to see a view of the person talking and yourself. Because I'm the only one in the meeting, that's why I'm large right now. But just wanted to give you a quick idea how that works. So hope that helps, and I'm going to hit leave meeting now. And that's it.